In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the LinkedIn Network will be back soon error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This common error can be frustrating, especially if you rely on LinkedIn for professional networking. But don't worry, there's a procedure you can follow to get back on track. Let's walk through it step by step. First, your first step is to log in using Google. Access LinkedIn by signing in with the Google account that might have caused the conflict. This is specifically the account you are using for the Sign In with Google feature on LinkedIn. By doing this, you'll be able to access your LinkedIn profile that might be causing the issue. Once you are logged into this secondary Google-linked profile, the next thing you want to do is create and set a new password for this account. This is important because it separates the Google sign-in from your main LinkedIn account, helping to resolve the conflict you were experiencing. Make sure your new password is strong but memorable so you won't have any trouble logging in later. After you've set up that new password, it's time to access the account settings. Find the settings menu for this secondary profile. Navigating to settings is usually straightforward. You can typically find it on the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, you'll have various options regarding your account's privacy, security, and personal information. Now that you're in the account settings, look for the option to delete this secondary profile. Deleting this account is crucial as it helps to resolve the conflict that has been preventing you from accessing your main LinkedIn profile. Click on the Delete Account option and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to permanently remove this Google-linked account. Just keep in mind that deleting an account cannot be undone, so be absolutely sure that you want to proceed. Once you've successfully deleted the secondary profile, it's time for the final step, logging into your main LinkedIn account. Use your original LinkedIn credentials to log in. This should allow you access without encountering that pesky error message. If you still experience issues after following these steps, I recommend ensuring your internet connection is stable and checking if there are any ongoing technical issues with LinkedIn itself. Sometimes, problems can arise from the platform and are beyond your control. You should now be all set to use LinkedIn without further disruptions. Remember, keeping your login information organized and unique can prevent similar issues in the future. That wraps up our guide on fixing the LinkedIn Network will be back soon error. If you found this video helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on troubleshooting common tech problems. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your networking on LinkedIn.